Hello, Low Country. Scott Kafka here from the Feldman Group Real Estate Team, coming at you from 696 Pawley Road in Cooper Estates, down in the heart of Mount Pleasant. We have an open house this Saturday from 12 to 3. It's an amazing space. Come on out and see it. When you walk in this house, there's nothing cookie cutter about it. It is wow factor from the time you walk in, from the shiplap walls to the hardwood floors. One of the best properties I've seen on the market in quite some time. Besides being close to Shem Creek and all the bars and restaurants, you're gonna get all your great grocery stores like Trader Joe's and Whole Foods, all the great amenities that Mount Pleasant has to offer. We have an open house from 12 to 3 this Saturday. It's gonna be a big extravaganza. We're gonna have a bounce house for the kids, ice cream truck, and mimosas for the adults. Come on out and see us.